In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Zara dupes and discover Zara lookalikes on Shein. Whether you're a fashionista on a budget or just love the thrill of a good fashion find, today's guide will help you explore ways to locate stylish Zara-like pieces at a fraction of the price. So let's dive in. First off, head over to Shein's website. Once you're there, the key to successfully hunting down Zara dupes starts with knowing the right terms to type into that search bar. Instead of something generic like Zara dress, break it down into specific components. Think about fabric, the cut, and unique details. For example, if you're searching for a linen ensemble, try entering linen crop top and skirt set. Or if that oversized Zara blazer caught your eye, go for boyfriend blazer. Similarly, for a satin slip dress, search for cowl neck satin maxi. This method isn't just effective, it's strategic, increasing your chances of finding those hidden gems on the website. Now, let's up the ante a bit by taking a peek at Zara's own website. Here's a little secret. By noting down the style names and details such as textured knit cardigan with gold buttons, you can replicate these looks on Shein. Use these descriptions as search terms, they're your golden ticket. Alternatively, if you have access to the Shein app, you can use the photo search feature. Just snap a screenshot of the item you fancy from Zara and let the app guide you to similar finds on Shein. Another approach is to look for Zara's signature trends, which often inspire the designs at Shein. Zara is known for its minimal tailoring, think blazers, trousers, and structured dresses, basics with a twist such as bodysuits and crop tops with cutouts, and seasonal it pieces like tweed sets or metallic heels. They also offer unique accessories from quilted bags to chunky sandals and statement belts. By focusing your search on these categories, you're likely to find a multitude of duplicate styles in Shein's collections such as Shein Basics, Daisy, MOTF, and Icon. Remember, staying organized and knowing exactly what you're looking for is key to making the most out of this fashion journey. By following these steps, you'll be able to replicate stylish, on-trend Zara looks without breaking the bank. Happy shopping, and may your wardrobe be filled with chic, affordable finds.